So you want to know how to make money online, and you probably have been watching countless YouTube videos trying to find different ways or what companies to join or what business to start in order to make money. And what I want to share with you in this video is going to be more beneficial to you if you focus on this first before you try to join a business, or even if you try to find a product to sell or anything like that. And this is something that if I would have known this at the very beginning of my online journey, that I actually would have made more money in the beginning. And I've actually heard this before, this information before, but the way it was packaged up, I was just going about it the wrong way. But I want to save you the time, the struggling, everything else with this video, sharing this one thing that you need to do in order to make more money online. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So what I want to share with you in this video, it doesn't require a typical tutorial that I usually show on this channel. It's just going to be me talking to you, because this is all you need to figure out to do, and then everything else will come a lot simpler. The first thing you need to do in order to make money online is to build an audience. What I mean by building an audience, I mean you already built up an audience of people who already like you, your brand. You build up relationships with these people as far as like you choose like a social media strategy. Maybe you choose like Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You choose any of one of these platforms and you create content that's going to be helpful to those people inside of whatever niche that you potentially want to be in, right? So if you know that you want to build up a Shopify store in the health and fitness niche, then use Facebook groups, use Instagram, use YouTube, TikTok, whatever, to create content about health and fitness, right? So find the topics that people are already searching for inside of your niche. Find out what they're struggling with and create content and put that content in front of those people. And when you're doing this, you want to lead with service. We're not trying to sell people right now or anything like that. We want to build those relationships. And the deeper we build those relationships with people and we actually provide value first, we will actually make it a lot simpler for us when we decide to actually promote a product or sell a product, because we'll already have an audience of people who know, like, and trust us. If you do that in the beginning, trust me, you will make more sales in whatever business you want to build online. So again, you could do this with your Facebook profile. You can create a Facebook group. Again, TikTok, you can create a YouTube channel. Whatever it is, choose one of these platforms. Choose the one that you frequent the most as a starter. And then what you want to do is you want to start building up a solid audience of people. Once you have done that, then you want to find a product to sell. And I promise you, if you do that, it will make the sale a lot simpler, because think about it. Even with e-commerce or something like that, what most people do is they'll go and start a store, they'll find the product, and then they'll spend thousands of dollars running Facebook ads trying to find an audience of people to buy from them. So think about it. If you just start with trying to build an audience first, you can find a product and sell to that audience without having to run any paid advertising initially, because you already have a group of people who know, like, and trust you, and they will buy from you because they know, like, and trust you, right? And having an audience is a business in itself. So think about how many videos you probably watch about affiliate marketing or e-commerce or something like that. And a lot of these YouTubers or people who's putting out content, they always tell you, like, well, one way that they get a lot of traffic to their stores is they get influencers to put their product or their service in front of their audience. And they pay that influencer, hundreds, some of them even thousands of dollars to put their products in front of their audience. So think about it. If you already have an audience of people, you will have Shopify owners, you will have business owners, companies, brands reach out to you and pay you money to get in front of your audience that you have built. A prime example of this is Kylie Jenner. And before you say, like, well, she was on keeping up with the Kardashians, yes, but when it came time for her to build a brand for herself as Kylie Jenner and don't have any attachments really to the Kardashian brand, what she did was she started to leverage Instagram and Snapchat. She posted on those mediums consistently, and she did that for a good little while, like for a few months or so. I can't remember the exact time she was doing this, but when it came time to drop Kylie Cosmetics, she made buku money, and that company is worth over $1 billion now. Same thing with Jake Paul and Logan Paul, right? So they create a lot of content on YouTube, and then when it came time to start selling merchandise, they're making millions of dollars from their merchandise. Why? Because they built the audience first. So if you do that too, you can make a lot of money. You can, basically sell your audience. So that's what people who are influencers, they're basically selling their audience. Same thing with Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner. They have millions of people that follow them on their social media channels. And if you want to get access to their audience, you have to pay them multiple six figures. Right? All because they built an audience. Same thing with keeping with the Kardashian show. I know a lot of people, y'all really don't like the Kardashians. That's fine, but I'm just using this as an example. But that show has been on for what, 20 seasons, 14 seasons, I don't know. But each of those seasons is just, they're actually building up an audience of people. That's all it is, guys. So if you do that, no matter what way you decide that you want to build a business online, if you focus on building up an audience first, you will make more money in the long run, and your sales will come a lot simpler by doing that. So focus on building up an audience first. And on this channel, I do have videos on how you can build a Facebook group up to your first 1,000 members. I have content where it shows you how to build up, how to monetize your Facebook groups. You can do this with TikTok, you can do this with YouTube, all these channels where you can start building up an audience of people first, and then you want to start selling them products. So if you have any questions about anything that I just covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on the next video.